Today we want a navigation system that's going to be small, easily portable, if compact, if you will. We want it to be very accurate. We want it to be simple to register and to input data into. We also want it to be user-friendly for non-physician users in the operating room, nurses, people like that who might work with us. And probably one of the biggest issues, not only in the U.S. but globally, is cost. These systems can cost over $150,000. Now, there are newer systems coming out that are less costly, but I still don't think they're in the price range that's going to make navigation commonplace where it really needs to be. And then lastly would be durability and reliability, because in many parts of the world the support services are not available for people who would need to have potential repairs or adjustments made to their system, and that's why these very cumbersome, complex systems don't make sense for a lot of people. The Navient system, for me, was easy to use. I'm not a techie. People who know me will laugh if they see this because they know that I'm not a techie. But I was able to use Navient quite easily. It has some of the very nice, easy features of patient tracking. It has very ergonomic instruments. Uploading data is very easy. Registering patients is fast. The accuracy of the system I found to be remarkable, considering how quickly you can register a patient into the system.
This is the size, right? Yeah.
Okay. And it's compact. It's an all-in-one little unit, small enough and easy enough to use. It can be potentially applied in an office setting. And as you know, there's a lot more surgery being done in an office. The Navient screen is only for navigation, and the way it's set up in the tower, the way it's designed, they're essentially right next to one another, so the surgeon's eye isn't jumping all over the place, and you don't need anybody to toggle between screens, etc. While it hasn't been determined yet, understand that, again, the goal of the company, one of the things I mentioned earlier, their focus is to make this be really in line with all of the wish list items that surgeons have today, and cost is significantly on the top of that list.
Now you should see, let's see.
Try it on the front. Try it on the front.
Awesome, thank you.
Is this one too?
Another important feature of the Navient is that there are really no disposables. And I think that's important because the cost of healthcare today is really in everyone's mind. And new technology has really been drifting toward the disposable end. where everything's disposable. There are shavers that are now being developed that are disposable. Laryngoscopy blades, intubation systems, everything's disposable. Well, there's an added cost when you go that route. Several of the other nav systems have disposable components, be it a mask or be it some type of a pointer or something that only lasts for 10 sterilization cycles or something of that sort. Nothing in the Navient system is disposable. It's all reusable, which I think is a very important consideration for anyone who wants to use this with any frequency, and especially in developing countries around the world where this would be a technology that's in great need.